Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs of chapter 13 sound. Your first question is the hearing range of human ear is option given are 20 Hz to 20 kHz, less than 20 Hz, more than 20 kHz, both B and C. The hearing range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Option A. A 440 Hz sound wave travels with a speed of 340 meter per second. What is the wavelength of the wave? It is given frequency nu is how much? 440 Hz, and speed is given, that is v is how much? 340 meter per second. We have to find out the wavelength. So we know velocity v is equal to nu lambda. That means lambda is how much? Lambda is equal to v upon nu. That is equal to v is 340 upon nu is 440. The 217, this is 22. It is divided, then we get it 0.77. Okay, so option B. Next, what helps us distinguish between the two notes of same pitch and loudness produced by two vibrating bodies? Okay, that means if two vibrating bodies have same pitch and loudness, then which quantity distinguish between them? It is your quality. Option C. Okay, that is the notes of same pitch and loudness produced by two vibrating bodies can be distinguished by quality. Which part of the human ear converts sound energy into the electrical impulse? Hammer, anvil, cochlea, stirrup. It is your cochlea. Next, echo is a type of reflected sound, refracted sound, polarized sound, or none of these. Echo is a type of reflected sound. Loudness of sound is measured in units of decibel, hertz, meter, meter per second. Loudness of sound is measured in decibel. Option A. Okay. Next, the shrillness or pitch of a sound is determined by amplitude, frequency, wavelength, or time period. It is pitch is determined by frequency. That is option B. The unit of quantity, the unit of quantity on which loudness of sound depends is meter, hertz, meter per second, or second. Loudness of sound depends upon amplitude. Yes, loudness of sound depends upon amplitude. So unit of amplitude is meter. Option A. Next, the persistence of audible sound due to the successive reflections from the surrounding objects even after the source has stopped to produce that sound is called rarefaction, echo, reverberation, or none of these. It is called as reverberation. Option C. Next, the ultrasound used for the checking of the functioning of human heart is called ultrasonography, echocardiography, ultrasound, or sonography. The ultrasound method used for human heart is called echocardiography. The waves in which the particles of the medium vibrate in a direction perpendicular to the direction of wave motion is known as transverse wave, longitudinal waves, propagated waves, or none of these. In which the particles of medium vibrate in a direction perpendicular to the direction of wave motion. It is transverse wave. Okay, thank you.